Galiano. Working to see to the lead court. Ay, ano palan? Palan. Bagus palan. From the side of Palibogi, Buke, Hernandez, Hurtan, Ivana, Lumbanta, Hilasio, Bagangan, Balane, Pinetics, Abanta, and Adorna. From the side of the Escaleros, Ramores, Rinancia, Ruscota, Samson, Galiano, Ubina, Matantan, Peñanas, Mertes, Brothers, Gomez, Tera, Ambrosio, and Barameda. Walat si First Five, walat. Laban. Jump ball between Portan and Samson. Samson, to Galiano. Galiano ngayon. To Samson. Samson agad. Rescuata, Paulo Mata, first personal foul, first team foul. Winning non-shot for network 2. Hernandez steal by Galiano. Turos Kuwata for network 2.
Namili ako. Nahihirapan ako.
Buke to Oba. Network 2. Nomores to Roskuwata. Roskuwata na road. Power rebound by Buke to Reynancia. 2 points. 2 points. Portan to Lumbanta. 14 to shoot. Portan. 3. Ramores dribble the ball. Ramores to Reynancia sa 3. Tuli. Magandang balik. Buke Upa Network 2. Set number 9. Roskuwata Network 2. Change people. Hernandez, Tulumata. Good. Shot number 5. You good? Steal by Samson. Galiano. Reynancia. Renancia. Last 2 minutes in 5 seconds. Lumata. 14 to shoot. Lumata. Rosamson to Roscuata. It's a counted foul. We're done. Time out from the side of California. One shot. Point number 1. Escuata. Adorna to Buke. Portando na para Escuata to Galliano. Galliano to Ramores. Ramores Santres. To go cover rebound. Steal by Ogana. Steal by Samson. Ubara. First personal foul. 13 foul. Ubara out. Avanza is checking in. Last 1 minute in 36 seconds. Samson correct for 1. Numbers ready for the possible rebound. Complete free throw for Mr. Samson. Avanza to Adorna. Adorna to Buke. 14 to shoot. Renancia connect for 2. Adorna dribble the ball. Shot clock 14. 2 points. For that, 2 points. Ramores is in the rebound. Last, we're done. Shot clock 13, last 53 seconds. Last 53 seconds, shot clock 48 at the corner for 2. Ramores. Last 45 seconds. Steal by Galliano to Ramores. Ramores to Roscuata. Rebound. Last 45 seconds. Last 22 seconds. Overtime by Samson to Roscuata. Last 23 seconds. Last 20. 2 points. Last 10. Shot clock off. Foul. Galliano. First personal foul. First team foul. Last 8.3 seconds. We're going to end of the first quarter.
First quarter pa lang pala.
Bounding steal by Galliano to Avanza. To Purman. Pasa na lang. 7. Adorna. Hernandez. Adorna to rebound by Buke. Matundaan. To Samson, 14 to shoot. Jersey number 17. Buke. First personal foul, first team foul. No good again. Reinancia. 12 to shoot. Same ball. Last 12 to shoot. Ten to shoot. Good. Okay, Fernandez. Good for two. Fernandez. Fernandez. Good for two. Reserve timeout. Where to shoot? Time out. Five-point lead. 19 against 24.
Ano? Si Mama Mia na nagko. Diba ako naman, mga ngari ka kayan.
Adornato Fernandez. Adornato. Ang rebound by Galliano. Yung matandaan. Buketo Fernandez with a rebound. Buket, foul, loose foul, red. Raise your hand. Matundan, first personal foul, first team foul.
I love you, I love you, I love you.
2 points to Manta. 3-point lead. Foul Galliano. Galliano, second personal foul. Second team foul. No good. Turnover. Flagging foul, jersey number 17, Duayan. Lumanta, second team foul. Save ball, shot clock 12.
Hirap pa na jersey!
Matundan, no good. Power rebound by Fernandez. To Fernandez. Technical, Mr. Fernandez. Technical.
Ay,
One pitch
ano yun?
Bola ng Mangisok. Tigol, sabi ni Totoy, hindi mo sinabi kung ano. Continuous complaining. O, bite, araw mo na. O, yan, araw mo na ha. Last 2 minutes and 50. On next for 2. Brooklyn. 2-point lead. Matundaan to Galliano. Galliano to Reinancia to Ramirez to Galliano to Power rebound by Buket to Adorna. Steal by Reynacha. Reynacha sa tres. Lumuto ang rebound. Hernandez. Hernandez to Adora. Wow, foul! Reynacha. First personal foul. 13 foul. Last 2 minutes into second. Return sub. Hurtado. Ang rebound by Galliano. Hurtado. Duque. Stop decision rep. Reynacha out. Galliano. Ardino ka. Galliano out. And Reynacha out. Oras in Muscota. Oras is trying in. Last 1 minute in 45 seconds. Good. Hernandez bermata bago Hernandez. Hernandez. Turnover. Official running score 25 against 23. 20. Battle down. 2 points. Abaita. Signal by Matuntan. Pass to Roscuata. Nagul para sa Paramores. Nagul Samson. Samson. Duque nagul para rebound by Paramores. Duque 2 points. Shot na 14. Turn to shoot. Quarter 2. Official running score 31 against 25.
Up!
Last
Up!
minute.
Ulan! Oh! Nice!
Foul. Roscuata. Roscuata first. Warning for penalty. Last 30 seconds.
Nice!
Big ball. Last 33. Official running score 25 against 31.
Le! Ulan!
Samson. Gomez. Last 25. Gomez. Gomez. It's a counted foul. Fortan, second personal foul, 13 foul. Last 19 seconds. Last 19 seconds. Gomez, Samson. Foul, Abaita. Abaita. First, warning for penalty. Foul. Go, Samson. Penalty. First penalty. Last 15. 24-1, Gomez. Last row, jumpers ready. Complete free throw, still with the Anuke. Free ball, last 11 seconds. Stand! Foul, Samson. Samson, second penalty. Last 7 seconds. Official running score 33 against 27. Moment for two wickets. Foul. Penalty.
Ay, nandun ata sa ano.
Number 1, matundaan. Official running score 34 against 30. 4-point lead. Beginning for the third quarter. Reinancia to Galliano Page. Galliano, foul, Adarna. First personal foul. First team foul.
Tapos na overage ako dyan ah. Nice
Foul,
one!
Adarna.
Nice one!
Second
Nalalaw
team
mo ka na,
foul.
matuwang foul ka na.
Age na po. Fernandez to hit, power rebound by Gomez to Espada. Rescuada, 2 points. Baita, no good. Power rebound by Galliano. To Reinancia. Third personal foul, 30 fouls,
Iwa ka na lang.
Abay out! For the out! Lumata naman ang Sherina. Para last 3 minutes in 14 seconds. Uniform on. Mr. Reinancia. Completely wrong. Foul Vela. Vela out.
Ambrosio is turning. Vela first personal foul, first team foul.
Adwarna. Lumanda yung foul. Reinancia, second personal foul. second in foul. Shot clock 10. Hernandez to Managut ang rebound by Galliano. Galliano to Ros Cubata. Ros Cubata na good ang bola sa ilalim. 12 to shoot. Adorna na good. Pag-rebound by Adorna again. 14 to shoot. Grabe yung galing yun. Hello. Galiano pa rin. Ito, i-battery. Galiano. 41 against 30. Very good. Very good. Hernandez. 10 to shoot. Foul. Gomez. First 30 foul official running score. 41 against 30. 41 against 30. Last 1 minute and 53 seconds. Third personal foul, running for penalty. Abondo. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Lower tower rebound by Galliano.
Kalma, kalma, Kit.
Third personal foul, running for penalty. Samson.
Hawak mo na!
Samson. Galliano. Shoot.
Tira!
Rush Kubata. As to last 189 timeout from the sideout. Ito'y, tagalong mo lang inanayin dito. Battery na lang, kailangan battery. Samson! Samson! Was 59 seconds. Okay, two for down, tres for down. Three. That's 50 seconds. Gomez. Gomez to Reyna siya, babawi. Good, tayo lang, okay. Reyna siya. Running for Pada. Penalty. Penalty, mga kaibigan. Last 37 seconds. Substitution rep. Going to out. Ano din? In. Third quarter pa lang, third. And the last roll jumper is ready. You're done. Look it again. Ros Cubata, last 33. Arjen Ramores, Jesse number 12, the foul, Bookie. Third personal foul, penalty. 14 penalty situation. Nico Aragon. Penalty! Both teams, penalty situation. 45 against 33. Bastian Boleros. Aray mo. Aray mo.
Arjen, taro.
Astro jumpers ready. Basketball rebound. Konsuman Mr. Arjen Ramores. Last 25. Turnover. Turnover. Last 30 seconds shot na off.
Masabit mo na penalty situation.
Samson. Last 15 seconds. Turnover. Last 30. At ako. Gomez. Second.
Penalty.
Forty-six against 33.
Uy, magaling niya Aki oh.
No good. Last row jumpers ready. Last 10. Last 10. No good again. Power rebound by Galliano. That's 5.
Go.
End of the third quarter. And the next game, last game, Women's Division, Game 3, Finals, is Pirates versus Little Brands.
Dalawang beses naglaro. Pangalawa ngayon.
Beginning for the last in the final quarter, players, good luck. Bainsa to Boki Boke to Cordan 3.
Iwas point na lang. Nice one.
Steal by Singar.
Third bar, third bar.
Matundan. Matundan ngayon. Matundan for signature.
Nice one.
Again now running for
Nice one.
13 foul.
Go. Go. Tira.
Matundan. Last time to shoot.
Tira mo.
Galliano sa 3 na rin. Toros buwan na rin. Power rebound sa Andres 2. Second personal foul.
Second, three foul.
Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Okay. Foul. Basket foul. Gallianos. Third. First team foul. Counted 38 against 48. Sampo na lang ang kalamangan. Sampo na.
Alaga ng lamang.
Number 1, Siyam na lang.
Nice one, kid.
Escubata.
Mag-mic ka, wala kang babayan.
Last 3 minutes in 10 seconds. Going sa 24-2.
Oras, oras. Alaga, laki.
Reskuwata. Reskuwata again. Power rebound by Samson. Samson to magandang.
Hawak muna, boy!
12 shoot. Siel Adorna. Adorna to Bukit. From record 2. Reserve time. 12 shoot. 10.
Last shot!
Very good. Hernandez to Adorna. Hernandez foul to the foul. Back to the ball game. Daliano. Last 2 minutes.
Laga!
Reinancia.
Oras, Jo, oras.
To Samson. To Ruscota. 12 to shoot. 10.
Laga! Shot!
Daliano. Last 1 minute in 10 seconds. 10 to shoot. Maganda lang ang pinapalitan ng dalawang kapayan. Very good pang-rebound by Samson. Points. Third personal foul timeout. 13. Daliano.
Alaga! 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 Ay! Wala!
Oo, nakita.
Official running score at 57 against 50. 50 against 57. 7 ang kalamangan ng Basketballeras. Los Kuwata. Los 40. David! Same ball! Same ball, mga kaibigan. Same ball. Same ball, last 12 seconds. Players with now. Adorna David! Out by Foul! Gusto ulit? O, hindi dimagi! Fernandez. First personal foul, running for penalty.
Champion na. Bang Maria. Champion na si Bang Maria.
That's point.
Ay, alis po.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Both teams, congratulations! And
Oh
ingat
my
sa
God.
pag-uwi. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. And the next game, Women's Division. Asik-asik na